In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete AI system, something that's in huge demand right now. So whether you're completely new to AI automations or someone who's been in the space for a while but feels lost in all the noise trying to figure out what really sells, this video will help you understand how to build a system that's both valuable and easy to sell. We'll start by creating a landing page that captures leads, automatically sends them a calendar link, analyzes their company using AI, and then logs everything neatly inside a Google Sheet, all ready before a meeting. Most businesses still handle inquiries and meeting preparations manually. Even we did when we started. We'd go back and forth with messages, speak with their websites, do research, and sometimes the meeting never even happened. We were wasting hours doing something that could be easily automated. So in this video, I'll walk you step by step through how we solve that for businesses by building a full AI system using N8N or Lovable. Alright, let's jump into step 1. Creating our landing page and connecting it with a webhook. This is our landing page, right? So what happens is we collect the name, company URL, and the work email. Once the request to goal, there's this automation that runs on the backend. So let's start with the main platform we are using, N8N. Now, if you have never used N8N before, it's basically a no-code automation tool like Zapier, but much more flexible. You can connect almost any app or API, trigger workflows automatically, and even build AI pipelines, all visually. You can sign up at n8n.io. They have a free cloud trial and paid plans start around $25 per month. So I have attached this and template for this workflow inside my free school community, and also all the resources that I need with the prompt and all. Right. So we start with the webhook node. So think of a webhook as a door that listens for incoming data. When someone fills a form on your website, the data gets sent into this webhook, and that's what triggers our entire system. So add a webhook node from this plus, you can see webhook, right? So test URL is something that you use when you're testing, right? So if you're using a test URL, you have to press this execute workflow to get the data, right? So we'll be using the production URL since we are doing something that's production ready, right? So copy this production URL, make sure it's post. So now let's build this front end, the page where users submit their info. So for that, we use Lovable. Lovable is a no-code platform where you can create websites and apps just by prompting. If you don't have an account, go to lovable.dev, sign up, and you'll get 5 free credits per day. So in here, we use prompt as create me a landing page. So the prompt is ready. So create a modern one-page landing site for your agency in real estate niche. And you put a heading, what the body should be, what are the field that we need to collect the data, right on the button, and just webhook URL to post the details when someone clicks the button request a call. So let's take a screenshot of this landing page and paste it here. The more details you give, the more perfect the outcome is going to be. Click send. So as you can see here, it's going ahead and creating the web page for us, the landing page. So you just have to wait like a couple of minutes. So yes, the page is ready. So you put the URL, name, and your work email. So once you press this, so once done, you'll receive the data like this, right? The URL, name, email. That's all we need. So from that, we have this Gmail node to send automated reply, right? So for that, you go ahead, go to search Gmail, right? Send message. Once you select send message, double click it, and then you have to connect the credential. So if you haven't done this before, you have to go to console.cloud.google.com. So I'm gonna add a new credentials, select as O2. So you just have to create a new project, right? So new project. So in this, you can put as N8N. I'll just put a N8N demo and create. So after that, you have to select the N8N demo. So once you're in, you just have to select for Gmail API, this one. So enable it. So once you enable, you'll get this screen. So go to credential, create a old client ID. So before that, you have to give your consent to create a client ID. Mark it as external, and contact information. Just give, you know, your email. Next, and create. So once you're done with it, go to create a client. So in that, mark it as web application. Go to authorize edit URL, add URL. Go back to the screen and copy this URL. Copy this URL and then go back to this and paste it, right? And create. So you will get the screen. So copy the client ID, come back here, paste it there, and then copy your client secret, paste inside client secret, and sign with Google. So once you sign in, it will say account connected, and then to who we are sending the email. So from here, right, we have to take this email and put it here. The subject should be like something that you want. So I have put hi, put the name here, so it looks personalized. Your AI transformation starts here. So email type is text, and then I have just put this text here. Hi, we are going to interest in becoming our first business. So book a meeting in your earliest and most convenient time. So if you don't want to send the N8N attribution, right, it says the email is sent automatically by N8N. From add option, you create append N8N attribution and turn it off. So save it, you just run, right? So it'll send an email. So we have received this email, also this here with the link. So you set up your calendar through cal.com. So the next step is to scrape the leads website. So for that, we are using Apify. So Apify is actually a platform full of cloud web scrapers and automation tools. And API is a way for apps to talk to each other. So N8N uses these APIs behind the scenes to send and receive data. So you have to connect your account. So if you go to Apify console, you can get free account, right? And they'll be giving you $5, right, for staying. So from here, you have to go to settings, API integrations, and get your API token and put it inside this and save. And then what I have to do is to select the actor. For that, you have to go to Apify. You have to search for website content crawler. This one. So save and start. So it will save to your favorites, right? So let's cancel it, right? So you go back to N8 and you'll see this here. Select it. So in the input, you have to send the website URL. So you have to send something like this. You replace the URL that we received from the webhook. It's right here. All right. So and then you set the memory to I think 1 GB is enough. If you want, you can set 2 GB. Execute. So once it's done, you'll see all this data from the websites being scraped. So now that we have got the website content, let's get the AI to summarize it. So we'll use the basic LLM chain node, not a AI agent node, because we don't need multi-step reasoning or memory here, just a simple summary. AI agents are powerful but expensive and can make the workflow unstable for simple tasks. So we'll use LLM chain, cheaper and faster. From class, you search for LLM, and you have this basic LLM chain. Put it here and you connect your model. You can either go for a OpenAI model, right? Or you can do it through OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a platform that lets you access to GPT Flow, Claude, and many other models at lower prices. So if you need one of these, go to openrouter.ai and sign up, buy credits for like $5 and get your API key and connect it here, right? So just put the API key and you are ready to go. So once you're done with the API key, select the model that you need. You have all these models, right? So I use ChatGPT for mini, so it's ready to go. So once you've done this, you just have to prompt it. So in your system prompt, at this line saying you're an AI assistant, can qualify new lead, summarize this company into 3 lines based on the website data. So and then you just add the data that you got from the website here. So once you've done it, execute step. So once it's done, you'll get a summary like this. Bloom AI specializes in transforming business into AI for businesses, blah blah blah. And then so next you have to save everything into a Google Sheet so it's ready for your meeting. So search for sheets and add this happen row in sheet, right? So once it's done, you have to create the account just as you created the Gmail. So you put the client ID, client secret from your Google console, right? You search for Sheets, Google Sheets API, enable it, go to credentials, create a credential, old client ID, and put as web application. Copy this, put it here, and create. And then you'll get the client ID and client secret. Once you've done it, you are ready to go. So once you connect it, you have to create a sheet where you have columns for name, website, email, and summary. So once it's done, you have to go back to N8N. You select the document and the sheet, right? So select as map each column manually, and then you'll get all the columns here. So the name, website, you have to put it from the webhook. The summary from the basic LLM share, right? So once it's done, click execute, and everything is going to get saved inside your Google Sheet. So whenever you are ready for the meeting, you just have to open this sheet, right? And then check for the summary of what they do. So what you can do is to prompt the AI to analyze some pain points they might have and solution for those, and also some questions to ask in the discovery call. So the discovery call is basically where you collect all the data, how much they spend, how many hours they like waste to do this task that they can automate easily. So let's say I have around 10 meetings per week, right? For each meeting I spend 30 minutes to prepare for the meeting, right? So that's 5 hours per week and 20 hours per month. So you can charge more. So that's basically what we do with our clients. And also if you go to Lovable and you just press publish right here, and then your landing page will be ready. And that's it. You just build a complete AI inbound system from scratch. So this is the foundation of what we call AI systems. All these tools work together like a real assistant, right? Like a real human. So that's what the difference of a system and just an automation. Comment if you have any doubts, and also I'll link the school community below so you can get all the templates and all these prompts from there, right? So see you in the next video.